In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a meeting in GoToMeeting. Whether you're planning a spontaneous catch-up or arranging a more structured meeting, GoToMeeting makes it simple and flexible to connect with others. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to the GoToMeeting website. It's as straightforward as opening your web browser and typing in the URL. Once there, you'll find options to both start and create meetings. Let's explore these options for different scenarios. If you're looking to host a quick impromptu meeting, perhaps just a casual check-in with your team, you should look for the Start button. Clicking on this gets an ad hoc meeting up and running in no time, allowing you to bring everyone together seamlessly without any prior planning. This is especially handy when you need to discuss something urgent or get instant feedback. Now, for those occasions when you need more control over the meeting details, opt for the Create button. This option is perfect if you have specific requirements or a particular agenda in mind. Once you click Create, you'll be presented with an option to type in the meeting title. It's a good idea to choose a descriptive and precise title so that all the participants know exactly what the meeting will be about. Next, you'll need to decide whether this will be a one-time meeting or if you want to set up a reusable meeting room. One-time meetings are exactly as they sound, ideal for events or discussions that won't be revisited. Reusable rooms, on the other hand, streamline the process for ongoing meetings or recurring discussions with the same group. Then you'll set the date and time for your meeting. Make sure to specify a time that works for all participants, factoring in different time zones if needed. This ensures everyone can join promptly and the meeting can start without any hitches. After setting the date and time, you might want to consider adding co-organizers. This is where you can type a first name, last name, or email address of your potential co-organizers. It's a great way to delegate responsibilities like managing discussions or assisting with technical queries. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the details and have everything set up as desired, it's time to click Save. This ensures that all the information you've entered is stored and the meeting is ready to go. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively set up a meeting in GoToMeeting with ease and confidence. So, start planning your meeting today and take advantage of the flexibility and convenience GoToMeeting offers. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.